Alright, this is our artifacts uh, review number 2 for Team 32, SER 401, fall of 23. So for the second sprint, our goal was basically to build on the foundations that we started on the last sprint. Just kind of figuring out, last sprint we kind of just figured out what we wanted to do, where we wanted to start, and what kind of technologies we wanted to use. Now that we've kind of dialed that in, we've started to build out the back end a little bit, set up our database, set up the ORM for the database that we're going to be using, which is Prisma. We started to build some dummy routes and build a couple more components that are going to go into the finished web application. So here is our burn down chart for sprint number 2. This is 93% completed. We still have a couple of small open tasks, one of which is building our sidebar, which is going to kind of be like a secondary navigation bar. That's probably going to be used for the user information. See our user stories here. Looks like we got closed over here. I feel like we made a decent amount of progress. If we go over to our GitHub, so here's some of the branches we were working on. See, we started up the database branch. I have another branch I'm working on locally that I haven't pushed over to the remote repo yet, but that's going to be for authentication, logging in and signing up. We also have a couple other pages that are in the works. Right, and then if we kind of go over to our application, this is one page that I don't have pushed to the remote repo yet, but this is going to be our sign up page. So we can kind of just throw in our dummy data here. And these are all the things that were specified in our Figma storyboard. And verification here. And if we sign up, we can see that we're receiving IDs back and that we're having successful post requests. So we're connected to the database through our API, and we hope to continue building on that into the next sprint.